That wedge the Liberals are keen to play on mandatory vaccinations has drawn anti-vaccine protesters to their campaign events, including today in Surrey, where Justin Trudeau announced a corporate tax increase on banks and insurance firms that post more than $1 billion in earnings.
We're going to ask big financial institutions to pay a little back, to pay a little more, so that we can do more for you.
Demonstrators never stopped yelling, including one man who identified as someone who was heckling the Liberal leader just yesterday in Hamilton, Ontario. The demonstrators followed the Liberal leader to his motorcade. Before leaving, he turned around and told one man, "Go get vaccinated."
I'm Evan Dyer in Hamilton, Ontario, where each of the three main parties believes wins are possible because they all have incumbents not seeking re-election. Erin O'Toole announced here that if elected, he'll give more money to the provinces for mental health treatment.
We won't bicker and fight with the provinces, but we will work with them as true partners on mental health with the goal of giving more Canadians access to the vital mental health treatment they need, and more quickly.
O'Toole also said that a Conservative government will dedicate $1 billion to mental health care in Indigenous communities.
I'm Tom Perry with the NDP campaign in Windsor, Ontario. Affordability has become a big issue in this election. NDP Leader Jagmeet Singh today vowed to reduce Canadians' phone and internet bills by forcing big telecom companies to cap their rates.
What it really takes is having the courage to do so. And what we've seen from Justin Trudeau and from the Conservatives is they are not willing to take on these powerful interests. They're not willing to take on the big telecom companies.
The Liberals promised in 2019 to lower Canadians' phone bills by 25%. Singh says they didn't deliver, but he's trying to convince voters that he will.